starting to see slightly fuller rooms. So that's good. People are getting their coffee going and getting excited about being back here. Why don't we move on over just so we're not tucked behind the podium.
Yeah.
So what we wanted to do for the next 5 to 7 minutes is actually introduce something that's new here for .next. For the first time, we have actually built and created an award category to recognize all of the thought leadership and innovation that's happening out here with all of you. And so we have 5 categories that we're going to be unveiling both the finalists as well as the winners for these awards. We're very lucky to have 2 of our judges with us on stage, so Glenn Allison and Ben Wu. And maybe if you could just take a moment to just sort of introduce yourself and talk a little bit about what it was like to be part of a judging process, that'd be great.
Sure. So hi, everybody. I'm Glenn Allison with Tractor Supply Company. We've got a little over 1,500 stores throughout the United States, quickly growing and leveraging Nutanix to help support the growth at the company towards 2,500 stores. And it's exciting to be part of here. This is my first .next. Last year, I followed the hashtag NextConf. It was really exciting announcements, and it's great to be here.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Belated happy birthday as well, by the way.
Thank you. Yes, and I turned 40 this week.
Woohoo! Congratulations, happy birthday. Okay, and Ben?
Hi, I'm Ben Wu. I am Managing Director of Neuralytix. We're a market research firm that's focused on helping end users think about understand and take on the digital transformation. This judging process was a really fun process for us. There were some great entries, and what it shows is that Nutanix customers are really making a difference for their companies and having great results on the bottom line, productivity, as well as their ability to move towards that digital transformation.
Thank you, yeah, and we wanted to make sure that we had a kind of representative of the customer community as part of a judging process, as well as an industry analyst who's looking at the market and looking at trends. So thanks again for both of you for spending the time. I know it was tough. We had a lot of great submissions, so I encourage all of you who maybe didn't take advantage of it this year to be thinking about what your submission is going to look like next year. So we'll go ahead, and the first category that we have is the Public Sector Award. And so you can see the finalists that are here: Randy Steiner, Director of Solutions, Secretary of Defense. We have Thomas Sasala, Chief Technology Officer of the Pentagon, and John Walton, CIO, County of San Mateo. And our winner is Thomas Sasala, CTO of Pentagon. Chris Howard, are you out there? All right. I know Thomas couldn't make it today, so it looks like we will accept that award and ship it back for him. He's clearly doing some really top secret federal activities right now, so probably all happy about that. Okay, so then our next category is the Champion Award. Again, we had some really, really great submissions here. So Jonathan Seitz, the IT Architects for Tronics, Jeff Babcock, who's the Manager of IT Infrastructure and Security for Empire Life, and then Arun Goraprasad, hopefully I pronounced that correctly, Manager QA Critical Facilities for Toyota. And our winner is Jeff Babcock. Come on up. Thank you very much. Shake hands and get you your, there you go.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
If you could just stop for 1 second and smile at the cameras. Thank you very much. All right, congratulations. Awesome. Okay, our next category was the Disruptor category. I know we have a lot of disruptors in the audience, so this is a really, really tough one to choose. So, oops, sorry. So here we have Alan Feltz, Manager, Operations and Support for Talit Crossbridge, William Beckett, Systems Engineer for Fallamont Transport, and BJ Samuel, Director, IT Cardalytics. I'm really loving that drum roll. And our winner is Biju Samuel, Director, IT Cardalytics. Come on up.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Congratulations.
All right, quick photo. All right, thank you very much. Okay, our fourth category. And again, this one was also really difficult. I know you were looking at this one.
Yeah, so it was really exciting. So there was a number of submissions for the Innovation Award. And one of the things I would say is it was really exciting to see innovation that's occurring across a bunch of different industries. And it also gave kind of me some ideas that we could take back Tractor Supply.
Awesome. All right, so let's take a look at who the finalists were for the Industry Innovator Award. Matt Day, IT Manager, Lang's Building Supplies. Tim Jones, IT Director for Blue Springs School District. And Malin Samant, Director of Infrastructure Services for Bergen County College. Thank you for that drum roll. And the winner is Matt Day, IT Manager, Lang's Building Supplies. Congratulations. Thank you.
Congratulations.
All right. Fantastic.
I want to also call out, so Matt was apparently there was a big soccer game for Australia last night,
right.
like 3 in the morning. So a special call out to Matt for being here in this general session.
It's a long walk across that stage too, right? Excuse me. Okay, so our last category was for the Elevate IT CIO Award. And as you can imagine, we have a number of leaders here in the audience who are part of Newton Nation that are really driving disruption, innovation, and leadership. So again, this was another really tough category for us. So our last category to announce, Elevate IT Awards, the finalists go to Mark Hindle, Head of Technology and Chief Information Officer, Relationships Australia, NSW. Chris Kate, Executive Vice President and Chief Information Officer of Cox Target Media. Kelly Michael, Vice President, Sales and Service of Charter. And John Mason, CIO, Bottomline Technologies. And our winner is, for this award, John Mason, CIO, Bottomline Technologies. Come on up. Perfect. He's smart.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Let me grab your award real quick.
John, in the meanwhile, just say a few words about the journey itself. Yeah. Is it working?
Can we get John's mic on, please? Let's try again.
Is it working?
Not yet. Just talk loud.
This is
Here
it.
we go.
Make this work.
So I was saying we've been doing this a long time. We're a very early customer for Nutanix, and we've been challenging them for features and functionality right from the start.
Yeah, more than 2 years now?
More than 4.
More than 4, wow. Time passes.
As a customer in the financial industry, regulations are very important to us. Security is very important to us. Growing company, we really wanted more. And you guys continue to deliver that, and we appreciate it.
Thank you so much, John. And there's one more thing I would like to add about this experience as well, is that there's something we said about staying power. The fact that we messed up at Bottomline probably 8-9 months ago with this hardware lockup issue, which was really a firmware bug that finally we got to, and Sunil talked about this yesterday as well, and the fact that our support team and everything else that worked together with you, and to see you here is just extremely lifelike. So thanks again for everything that you've done.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Do a picture? Thank you very much. Congratulations to all of our finalists and award winners. Thank you so much.
Top-notch engineers from Nutanix working shoulder to shoulder with my people.
At Tractor Supply, how we look at our vendor community is more on partnerships, and what Nutanix brings to that partnership is really a focus on innovation, teamwork, and treating us like we're a part of their business.
Axelect is constantly pushing boundary on the technology it uses. We look for partners that would embrace that, to work with us, to develop and grow together.
We're looking for that long-term relationship, and that's what we found with Nutanix.
Nutanix gets it. They understand the evolution of what it means to go from the virtualized to now the cloud space in your own environments where you can manage it and you can expand it and scale it.
The enterprise cloud platform truly gives us the best of both worlds. We can gain the efficiencies of web scale within our existing data centers, but at the same time, the ability to scale, and the ability to scale for growth.
Nutanix is a great example of a disruptor that changed the game. They took legacy ways to do things and evolved those into a virtual world that is completely simple and free of complexity.
With Nutanix AHV, it was the only solution that was able to give us this agility and ease of management all in one box. The virtualization and virtualization management is so easy that I could give an iPad to my kids and they would be able to manage the VM in our data centers.
Our efficiency gains are probably, from my perspective, it's got to be higher than 50. It's 80–90% of what I used to do is I don't have to do it anymore. I just don't. Now that it's been about 3 years, I sleep well at night. I trust it.
I'm not sure I can imagine life now in my organization without Nutanix because the benefits and an easy way to do IT is huge.
Nutanix does not have an equal in their deployment environment right now. Can't be beat. You just can't do it that fast. I haven't seen another vendor match that.
I will never go back to traditional computing and storage.